Hi everyone, just thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the camper trailer. So we should be able to pick it up in the next couple of weeks. So everything seems to be going really well with it. We're just starting to get everything stocked up inside the house here, ready to go in the camper trailer for our first outing in it. I'll show you what we've bought today, and we'll set it up and give it a trial run and check all the bugs are out of it, and hopefully it's all good. But yeah, I'll flip the camera and you'll be able to see what we've bought. Okay, so we bought the Brass Monkey Dual Zone 75 litre portable fridge freezer. So we'll open her up and see how it all looks. Got the cover with it as well. Anyway, let's open it up and see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah. All packaged up nicely. There we go. That's the outlet. Okay, something looks pretty good. See what's in here. Oh, there we go, all the power connections, box with a warranty card and instruction manual. So we'll have a look at that in a second. Finish unboxing it and we'll get it. So in the box you've got the power adapter, you've got 24 volt leads and the 12 volt leads. So it covers you off everything there. Instruction manual. This one actually comes with a the Brass Monkey app, so wireless control for it, which will be pretty handy when you're traveling or when it's in the fridge compartment of the camper and you don't have to actually open that up to see that it's all working. Anyway, let's set it up and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so we've got it all plugged in and downloaded the app. It was really easy, just a QR code on the side of the box and it all downloaded and sets up nice and easy. You can control it from the screen, which I'll show you in a second, and on the app, which I'll show you as well. We got the thermal cover with it as well. Help improve its performance, so nice and easy to use. Just comes up. As you can see, you've got the screen here, USB point there to charge stuff if you want to. Not that I think I'll need to use that, but it's all fairly self-explanatory, left and right side. We've got it on now. I've got the fridge side set to 3 degrees, so we'll see how long it takes to get to that. It's currently 13 in there. It was at 20 something, so it's cooling pretty quickly. And we've got the right side, the freezer section set to -20, just a max. Got a bottle of water in there, which I'll see how that goes, see if it freezes. So a couple of ciders in there at the fridge, and freezer with the bottle of water in it. So we'll see how it goes. Overall, very happy with it.